lovelies! So it is time for another Witch's Moon unboxing, which I am so excited for. I was wondering when this would turn up. I was like, it feels about time that I should be doing this, and it turned up on my doorstep today, so it is time to unbox this. So let's have a look and see what color scheme we've got. Ooh, so on top we've got like a minty green. First up, oh, it's pretty. So first up we have, as always, the sort of art print, and this one is all to do with chakras, and it is so gorgeous. I really love this one. I definitely want to get a frame for it. So it has all the information about all the different chakras here, which is just so nice. And yeah, it's just beautiful as always. We have our personalized oracle reading thing. This says purifying, so this is what it looks like. Achala Agni Mudra? I don't know, I'm probably butchering that. Assists in digestion, balance and confidence. I'm not sure what this is, but it's interesting. And this is our little sort of contents of the box, so I'll read that at the end. Okay, so, ooh, so we've got like this sort of like minty green paper, and then a lot of the stuff in the box looks kind of blue. I'm definitely getting like an oceany vibe off of this. I don't know if that's the intention, but that is what it's reminding me of. So first off, we have some, I think this says garden ginger. I'll probably know if that's correct with a sniff. Oh yeah, that's ginger. I love the smell of ginger. It is so nice. So we've got a nice little bag of some dried ginger here. Aside, we have, oh, some tea, I think. Oh, what does this say? Somethingcation. Vivication? Divication? I'm not sure what that first letter is, but it's some sort of white tea. And I will have a little sniff. Oh, that's really nice. It smells quite like berryish to me. I like something else, but I don't know. Oh, it's really pleasant, whatever it is. Yes, we got our tea, and here's the little tea bag that comes with it. Okay, next up we have our salt. And this is what it looks like. So it doesn't have a name on there. I think this is like maybe lavender and chamomile. Or it could just be chamomile. I think I'm so used to smelling those two things together that sometimes I can't tell the difference, but no, I'm like almost certain there's lavender in there. It's quite a strong smell. So this would definitely be like a good sort of like sleepy time bath salt, I think. Ooh. Oh, I think the theme might be ocean. Okay. So I don't know for sure what this is, but it says grandmother of pearl, and in here we have a big ol' seashell, lots of what looks like rose petals, I think a cinnamon stick, and a sage bundle, I believe. This is what it looks like. I love getting these shells because they are great for burning incense in, and it is so cute. Oh, there's something on the back. Blue sage, a cleansing of negativity or exorcism. Roses to attract love, domestic peace. Lavender for healing, protection and clarity. Mother of pearl shell. Okay, this is really cool. We'll find out what it is at the end. It might be like a little spell or something, but whatever it is, it's lovely. We have a little sachet of mountain mint. Actually doesn't smell that minty. I guess mountain mint is something else. This looks like our oil. I really love the colors in this box. It is so pleasing. So this is our oil. So this is our oil this month, and it comes in like a really pretty like bluish kind of bottle, and it has a picture of an eye on there. Kind of creepy eye. I think there's like a little bit of crystal in there because I can hear something. Oh yeah, I can see it. Oh, this smells really nice. It's a really familiar smell, and I just cannot place it. Something floral, but I just don't know what, but it is really lovely. Ooh, I think this might be our crystal. We've got a chunk of something in this cute little bag. Okay, so there's just this massive chunk of, I am assuming, clear quartz. If not, then we'll find out what it really is at the end. But yeah, just a big old chunk, which is very nice. I love just having like my little pile of crystals in my room. Ooh. What is this? So this is like metal. I just found it in the bottom of the box there. I have no idea what it is, but it's so pretty. The back of it is like totally plain, so I don't think it's for like hanging up or anything, but I really like it, whatever it is. Okay, next up we have a box. Oh! Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh, I wonder what these beads are. They're all sort of like either white or very, very faintly bluish green. Oh, this is so nice. I've always said like I love the feeling and the sound of beads like this. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, wow. And then the last two things in the box is our incense. I have no idea what that smells like, I could not tell you. And then we have our candle, which is the same pretty minty green, seafoam green. I think this says awakening something. And this is what it looks like. Okay, right, where is the little information thing? Okay, so the first thing is the intentional meditation necklace, which is what I've got here, I assume. These are also called mala, and obviously you wear it during meditation. Wow, so this, like, it explains how you use it, and it's so nice. So the necklace has Amazonite, or the Hope Stone, to bring forth confidence, agate to stabilize and ground your spirit with the energies of the earth, and treated howlite to understand self. Cool, well this is lovely. This is definitely one of my favorite things in the box. It is so pretty. Oh, the little silver thing. It's a charging plate for you to rest your intentional... Oh, so you put your necklace on this. Also known to represent the stages of life. Described as the maiden, mother, and the crone. Sacred symbol also resembles mind, body, and spirit. Okay. Grandmother of Pearl cleansing kit. This unique cleansing kit is being sustainably harvested in traditional manners, specifically for you to use in aligning and activating. Oh, awakening har. Spell candle. We've handcrafted the spell candle with the purpose of preparing the practitioner to courageously engage with the challenges and obstacles of life. Third eye magical anointing oil. Oh, and you put it on your 6th and 4th chakra to open your third eye. Where are those? Okay, so your 6th chakra is on your forehead, that's your third eye, and your 4th one is the heart, so you put it here. Okay. See, this is handy. Clary sage, rose geranium, and sandalwood. It was the geranium, rose geranium, that's what I was smelling that I knew. Included ginger root as well, and a Lemurian quartz, and a special mixture of air magical oil. Okay. Inner sense sacred salt, rosemary and lavender. Yep, those were what I was smelling, and chamomile herb. Yep. Okay. Also include a special mixture of our peace magical oil. Okay, well that's really nice. The clarity stone, quartz crystal. Apparently this stone is the master teacher. Sacral incense, sacral, and it is ylang ylang, and it's to promote creativity. That's wonderful. Oh, it was vivication. Vivication white tea. This tea was created with white tea, hibiscus, rose hips, and safflower. It must have been the rose hips I was smelling. Let's start with cold fresh water. Garden ginger. Ginger is a must-have in a cabinet of witchery, and ginger is good for inspiring confidence, bringing immediate attention to your intentions and manifestations. Mountain mint, or marjoram, multifunctional herb that can be used to enhance most basic spell workings. Personalized oracle reading, and then we have the parchment paper and Chakra's Book of Shadows artwork. Yes, we got everything. So that was this month's box, and I very much enjoyed it. And I will patiently wait for my house to be burned down because my neighbours think I'm a witch. But yeah, this was really, really fun to do, and it's nice to do it out here in the garden, around nature. I think that is the better way to do it. And as always, I love this. I think my favourite things are definitely the necklace because I love things like this, and in this little kit because it is adorable, and I love anything with shells and roses and all of the rest. So thank you very much for watching. Remember to check the description below for all the different links, and also check out my Patreon before you go because it supports this channel a ton. And I will see you in the next video. Bye lovelies!